$48. Yeah, there we go. High five. Alright guys, we are at our dog Hollywood in the high limit room being stupid with Sarah and Kim. We're gonna do $20 to spin on this Huff and Puff and more Puff and whatnot and Power 4. I think that's how you say it. $20 to spin.
Go, Sarah. Really?
Beat-a-doo. Just need one. Come on. All that beeping and booping and nothing.
$2.
Come on. Give us one. Just one. Oh, butthead.
Where's the wolf? We need to pick him out.
He doesn't come out on this one.
No?
No. I don't think so anyway. I mean, maybe, but... No, don't do that. We'll just give it more money. That'll fix it.
Oh, okay.
That'll fix it. Don't need a stinking wager saver. Oh man.
This is brutal.
I know. Terrible.
Giving yesterday vibes.
Yeah. Yes, for sure. We won't give up. We just need one, right? Just one.
So sad.
Come on, Piggy Pig. Get it together. You know you want to build some houses.
All of that.
Oh, silly. Come on now. Peter. Is that our first win?
Yeah.
Was our first profit? Okay. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh, you won. Yay. Do it again. Wah, wah. Alright guys, we're going to stop there because this is stupid. Yeah, that was Huff N Puff Power 4 from Hard Rock Hollywood. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, Kim and I are at Hard Rock Hollywood. I got a $505.70 ticket in Lightning Dollar Link, checkered flag. Kim's going to be spinning. We're on nickels, so what's 100 nickels?
$5.
$5. So we're going to do 5 a spin. And so, yeah, we need, those are wild, the race cars are wild. We need 6 trophies. Or we need, you did it, 22 bucks. 6 trophies. Yeah. I've got a crush on her.
She's not real, is she?
Not at all, no. It's not a realistic crush, I just said it was a crush. What I mean is, like, if I were to turn into a cartoon or something, I would totally ask her out. It was like a Who Framed Roger Rabbit, remember? Remember?
How many of these do we need? 6?
6. Jessica Rabbit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And I could be in the real world, then that would work. Either way, you know, I'd turn into a cartoon or live in a hybrid cartoon world, I would totally ask her out.
I'm like really happy for you.
Yeah, it's gonna be I mean, I've been dreaming about it. It's gonna be a special thing. There you go.
What'd I get? I don't see it.
These are the free games. Yeah, I couldn't figure it out either. I couldn't
like,
remember.
what's happening?
I thought they were wild, but the guy's head is wild.
You know why? Because Taylor Swift is playing.
Oh, okay. 8 free games on these. Trophies.
What's happening?
Nothing so far, but this will be good. No, it won't. Oh my gosh. Wow. Hit it. Yeah, no, Taylor Swift is terrible. I have never, ever in my life
$11.
seen a bonus that bad. I've never seen a bonus that bad. I didn't know that that was possible.
Wow.
Like, the title of this video is going to be, look at Kim
Completely failed.
get the worst bonus in the history of bonuses. It's because you brought up Taylor Swift, that's what it was. Yeah, 3 of those. Okay.
These, right?
Yeah. It's confusing because the other guy,
I thought it was just the wild.
because the other guy, well no, it's the other guy, but then it turns into that race car.
I just can't believe we just won $11.
I am baffled. That turns into the race car, see?
That's okay, so that's what I was confused.
Yeah, that's what confused me too. It's not just you. I can't believe how bad that bonus was. You usually get 6 free games. We had 8 free games, so we only got $11. That's typically how it goes, guys. We're walking, minding our own business. Kim's like, oh my god, I want to play that slot machine over there. And I was
Oh my
like,
gosh, I didn't want to play this slot machine, and you said, are you sure? Are you sure?
that's not true. So I was just minding my own business, and she dragged me over here to play this terrible we going? Made me play it. Why don't you get some bonuses?
Why don't you spin them?
Why don't you? Okay. Turns out I just had to touch the button. That's all it was. Bad today. We've got 2 bonuses and neither's broken. $100 bucks.
We got $100 combined.
So yeah.
$105.
So yeah, that's pretty bad. We won't go below 400. Settle down. Yeah, just press through it when it does that. Rub me up. Settle down, Speedy. One more. Oh, there we go. Okay. 48 bucks. Yeah, there we go. High five. Now, it's an extremely low bar. We've only got to beat $11. I think we can do it to improve on our bonus, right? There we go. $50. Pretty good. Oh yeah, we're in 3 games. Cool. Oh, you did it again. You accidentally fast stopped it.
My bad, sorry guys.
You're good, and there's 1,000. Keep going, let's do it. $472, which is awesome. We're at 965. Won't go below 900. Way to go, Kim. She's kind of awesome, guys, if you didn't know. Oh, you know.
Oh, that would have been cool.
She's not as awesome as me, though.
Then you do it.
She gets so moody. Oh. Do it. Oh, I wanted that minor. All right, guys, we're gonna stop at 900. I had fun. Kim did awesome. 3 bonuses. Good times. Thanks for watching.
Bye.